Good evening. Still in the Christmas mood. Inti Yamobibia Afishapa from the studios of Silver TV. Yaramase. Odoso Nkwama train afinimu nyina na 29th aka just 2 days na afini nyina bewie. We've been here with you all and we say a big thank you to everybody. Secondly, videos nebu so edge. The number na Dacian, Asante Kotoko, your first three players. I would say the player of the first round, not for the actuasi. Number na Dacian, you record yourself, you mention your name, your location, then you send a year, you mention the three players, or your player of the first round. The other better one, then you have 5 points, 2, 3 points. We are also 3 at 1 point. Until we are the number of videos of a banner. You bet to be a ding and nipan be on the 2 year. Then after that, we will tally it. And at the end of the day, who is the viewers of Silver TV. Doma selecting as Asante Kotoko player of the first round. The number na that's here. Keep on sending the WhatsApp, bruh. Na yegusu ho adwuma pa. Na bibia etimi akoye. Again, say Christmas super so di ebronya number no timi the fast here. Now let's go straight to the point. There are so many questions about which we need to take our time and go through. Most of them we are still doing our investigations. For now, there, I can confidently say Emmanuel Corte and on already can catch in so at for self sober. And on the names of collector I think 2 days ago, Meka doubt that Yusuf said we need to do a Busan the natural. And then Samates Akwaku winning against Accra Lions. So my extended league, position on the top, to 32 points. So they ended the first round with 32 points. Samates. Makacho said, Omakacher Mantian said their target is the league. Send a DNIG league, almost said they can shock everybody and win the league. The target in finishing top 4 and finishing third. So they've told the players, which is now that Yusuf said, and God put some person twaso. Now on year juma. And then they might count once about. So that is the transfer or how meet me the amount. Maybe for be and buy. But I cannot still now I've been told not to mention the name. So I don't even want to talk about that story. The person I can once and until now, let's move on. Until will be reported to be a medicals, will be I say we say let's give time some time. Will be our conversation on the source. So let's give time some time. Eventually we will all get there. Anyway, some people are reporting say the last group of players are coach a friend or a year received to be used, Richmond Lamptey, the squad to Afcon there. The shortlisted and or clear out on the players not they were on Richmond Lamptey. It's a story that I have not confirmed, so I won't add it to my story. But in summer, I need what I say. Bear with me. The last 3 days have been a bit stressful, Kaka. I had the last 3 days once I'm active, so bear with me. Now energy now ever from Kaka. Now let's move on to a year. The Asante Kotoko squad against Bofo Akwatano. Na yemfa ehonsem no emfa emamo. Danlad Ibrahim still did not make the set to travel to a year Bofo, and that is Sunyani. Danlad is a Sunyani based, but unfortunately Danlad ain't him. So it's Frederick Asare and Moise Poitier. Then you get before I even move on, let me even make it simple. The only change Enoch Morrison. Week we brought a training report, which I did it on Tuesday. But Wednesday and other days, because said my guy was not able to go there. Went me on training, so he's not part of the squad. Apart from that, all the other players on my boy, what's called last game against RTO, and Morrison has been replaced by Kalu Watara. So if you don't know the squad, I can continue and mention it. But in a nutshell, it's just Morrison out, Kalu Watara in. Last week, Sana ni names omubeye no. but still Morrison a quick recovery. We training Saturday no. The moment the can't team no. And they say born and kasa koso first half no crowd I'm going against RT and a coach in there in the film. So going straight to the squad. Frederick Asai, Moise Poitier. Then you are getting Prince Adasa, John Tedeku, Nana Benyini Amwa, Peter Aminu Akwa, Justice Blay, Sharif Mohammed Henry, Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin. Once I got last game, play a BND yellow card. If Calamity had the yellow card, he would have been suspended for this game when the yellow card. So that is the back line. Back line up of the RT, coach na maintaining where the other changes no one the middle. Han Makasa Morris in the film. So Baba Yaya, Eric Zeze, Richmond Lamte, everybody in there. Sharif Mohammed in Timen, Rocky Jamna, Michael Che Jamna, Omina Attack, Mukwara, Kalu Atara, Isaac Opon, Baba Yaya, Richmond Lamte, Omina. That is the Kotoko squad. I think I really did not mention it well. Mamin Bono once again. Frederick Asari, Moise Poitier, Prince Adasa, Peter Aminu Akwa, Justice Blay, Nana Benyini Amwa, John Tedeku, Sharif Mohammed, Yusuf Nuruddin, Eni Henry Ansu 10, Michael Che Jamna Rocky Jamnando Sintimenu, Sharif Mohammed Richmond Lamte Babayaya, na wenya Eric Zeze, Kalu Atara, Isaac Opon, Steve Mukwala, 20. Here we Kotoko squad. Match day on the expected lineup. Expected lineup, yes, expected lineup based on training. One, Morrison out. The direct replacement here, John Tedeku, as a left wing back. Morrison out, direct replacement as John Tedeku. That was a training method from last week. So Morrison out, Tedeku comes in. From last week now, that was a training team in the area as direct replacement. So Tedeku as a left wing back. And so in that case, you have Frederick Asari, Peter Aminu right wing back, John Tedeku, Justice Blay Henry, Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin. Then you get middle of Sharif Mohammed Richmond Lamte, Baba Yaya, Isaac Opon, and Steve Mukwala. This was one part of Kotoko's training. After Morrison's absence. The second part, which is another form of training, was that the coach decided to play Peter Aminu Akwa as a left wing back and Baba Yaya as a right wing back. In this case, I think when I do this, I might go straight into the tactics of Kotoko, so I don't need to explain how it works. But what happened is that Michael Che Jamna Sharif Mohammed Richmond Lamte and Baba Yaya as a wing back, Peter Aminu Akwa, Justice Blay, Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin, Isaac Opon, Steve Mukwala. So that is it. The changes the back of the lineup. The possible one would be either Michael Che Jamna coming in to stabilize the middle with Sharif Mohammed and Richmond Lamte, Baba Yaya as a wing back, and Peter Aminu Akwa as another wing back. The whole system maintains. If the coach decide to go for direct John Tedeku coming in as a wing back. Now or Baba Yaya Richmond Lamte or behind Sharif Mohammed. The training are no more I cry a peke and based on how the coach want to twist a system any and in the case where Baba Yaya is a wing back, what happens is that because there's Michael Che Jamna, Sharif Mohammed and Richmond Lamte, mostly na Peter Ko na say Yaya kwa Sharif beka home a chiro 4 na Michael Che Jamna taking the position of a number 6 na wing back wingers as a Peter and Yaya be wingers, but in this case their wingers are omokati in ntina Peter Aminu Akwa as a right player playing as a left wing back next or the benkum Jordan Nifan Timi Katin Ronaldo Mustano Yaya as a right wing back Benkuma or then if I so Timi Nifan also Katin, and these were how the things will go. So I don't want to go into so much, but there will be only one change in the Asante Kotoko lineup as expected, unless it said Richmond Lamte DNA confirmed. If Lamte's own is confirmed, say he's making the squad, something else might happen. But from what I think and from what we know, there will be only one change, and the two dynamics, no, and I'm the amount I was over to you. Let me add more to but don't forget to look at the number, record yourself, send your best 3 players in the first round to us at Silver TV. Na yet me, I am na men come on. Watch after the game. We'll take our time and answer some of the questions for you here on Silver TV. Bye bye.